Hello everyone, welcome back in this video. In today's video I will share with you and teach you how to use this new application of Meta, uh, how to use it. So in this video I will tell you everything, so just watch this video till the end. First you have to go to your Play Store, as everyone know, or App Store, and you have to download this. You will just write like threads from Instagram app. Write it like this, don't write just threads. And then when you write it you have to upload it like I'm doing. And then when it's uploaded, as you see, you have to open it. When you open it, it will not open on this homepage. As you see, they will tell you if you wanna create a new account or just to add your account. For example, me, I use my account. This is my account. I just use it. And right now, as you see, this is the home page, and this is the search here, where you can post like your threads or tweets. You know, guys, like this new application, it's like Twitter. Yeah. So here you can post threads. Here you will find your notifications. As you see, all replies, mentioned, verified, and here you will find your uh, profile. Here you can edit your profile. Also you can share your profile. And about the people who ask about the settings, you can find your settings here. And what else, guys? That's it. Here, for example, you can react by clicking here like this and commenting like this, everything you want. So that's it. It is a new application of Meta. It's very easy and fast. I hope, guys, this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.